when you put the latest summer hit with the latest video app, you're bound to get a viral masterpiece. Depending on, well, never mind. This morning, Nev and I will be creating performing arts like you have never seen.
Can you stop, please? This morning, Sim will be creating moves like you've never seen, and I will just follow. Because I move them bigger than them thing.
All right, so we're going to do a TikTok routine to the hottest song on the airwaves right now. It's too early, and it's a Monday. But it is what it is, so I'm trying to figure out the approach to this one.
So instead of going to show us an example first. Let's see the example. Although we don't need it, but go on. So it's the same thing everybody do? All right, run it.
But
run it.
Is that what we're doing?
I don't know.
Or we're building our own dance?
We can't dance it. I have some big move me make. Ready?
I'm not sure.
Right on. So we can move already. So she can't mind. Go so. Are you ready?
Can you do that again?
Tom, tom, tom.
But that's only one move.
Then you do the second move.
Oh.
So we could get this one first. So it's ding, 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 eh. Ready?
No.
All right.
Come again.
Bam, 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 boom, boom. Yes, you have the thing.
1, 2,
Up.
hands up, broke hip.
Broke hip. Aye. I bet you hear them have a dance named broke hip after this.
Okay,
Ready?
so that's one move.
Oh yeah, what is your one? All right, so show me
don't
yours
reach
and
mine
then
yet. No, let's do
no,
yours
just
first.
show me yours and then we just go from mine to yours.
So if yours is so,
Broke.
that we
Yeah.
can do a, like since everybody's doing this, some kind of wavy pan move.
So why you can't do one that is easy for me to do?
It is easy.
What?
So it's tan tan ta,
10, broke it.
broke, and then from broke you just like you're driving 3, 4.
All right, okay.
All right.
After 3.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. So ready? So, broke.
I'm trying to get the count right, sir. Wait,
All right.
are we, is it 1, 2, so, or is 1, 2, 3, broke, then wave.
All right, so it's
wave.
1, 2, 3, broke.
Then wave. Right.
All right.
Okay. All right.
Ready?
Ready? I'm not ready, but ready? Turn on the music like a bit now unique. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't you go? How you read, sir? How you read, sir? Why you never tell me about that one then?
No.
All right, come. Bam, bam, bing, bing, bring.
Then walk. All right, we need that. Your turn now. All right, that's it. 4 moves. We don't need no more.
You don't need no more.
All right, come,
can
so
put
from
everything
top.
together now. Hold on now. Says this.
No.
Oh, it's
Right again.
this.
Broke. 1, 2, 3,
Then we
4.
walk,
Then
and then
1,
we
2,
come
3,
back.
4. That is.
All right.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Big dance. We just have to give it a name now.
His name lockdown.
Name. All right, come again. Last one. Same
Ready?
thing.
5. Oh, them run it from the top. Okay, because that wasn't enough. 5, 6, 7, 8. Learn break, children. That's the new TED Talk for Coffee's done. Before we go to break.
What is this? Other one I may not understand. When me
We're
drive,
driving, we're
but where me
moving.
go?
We're going back. All right.
Ladies and gentlemen,
If you
thank you very much.
want to break,
Right? Okay.
soon come back.